Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to add Calendly to your GoDaddy website so the visitors can book appointments with you easily. So go to calendly.com and then select your event and click share so you can either copy the link or choose embed on your website for a widget post. Then choose between inline embed. The Calendly will give you three embed options. I recommend the inline option to display your calendar directly on the page. And then now you can log into your GoDaddy dashboard, go to My Products, and click Edit Website for the site you want to add Calendly to. And to keep it simple, guys, you can add a button and link it to your Calendly page. Just paste your Calendly link in the button settings. Or if you want to embed a calendar directly, you can add an HTML section and paste the Calendly embed code you copied earlier. And once you're done, you can click publish and your Calendly scheduler will be live on your GoDaddy website. And that's it, guys. You've successfully added Calendly to your GoDaddy site. And of course, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials. You can also comment in the comment section. See you in my next video. Bye.